some taste. Jabee and Jiya, toys and fun. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me, Jabee, and this is my little sister, Jiya. Hi. Today we're gonna make some fruit juices using our blender slash juicer. There. And for the first thing, we're gonna put some water in it. This is just pure water. Yeah. There. Open this up. Pour it in. Whee! Now let's mix it up. First, we're going to make pineapple. Yeah. Pineapple juice, but these are just toys. First, let's slice the pineapple. Pineapple juice is very clean. Let's pour it in. Now we will broke apart and then you know me first. Delicious. Try it, see? It will taste very good. Okay, I give it a 9 because it tastes so good. A 9. It smells so good. Then I will just drink it all up. Next, we're going to make grape juice. And water. Oh, that's enough. Enough. So let's put the grapes inside. That was very, very yummy. Our grape juice is ready. Stop. Here's the glass. Right there. Twist. Take off. Pour them on. 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's enough. 8, 4, yeah. What? How much do you give it? 30. 30. Okay guys, it's time to make strawberry juicy. But not too much. Yeah, that way. Oh yeah, we already cut it. Yeah, we already have strawberry. One, of course. It's blending time. I think give us some taste. Now let's take it off. This is the thing that turns the blending, and then this thing turns it. Now let's pour it in, but not too much. Oh! I spilled. Okay, now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Well, it's testing time. Hey, what do you? Oh, it tastes so yummy. I give it a 100. What do you give it, Jiya? I give it a 2. I like it. Okay, that means you don't like it? I like it. But if it's too much, that means you like it. A big one. Okay, this one. How much do you give it now? 20 and 3. 23, yes. 23, yeah. Oh, I like it. I like it. 20. 123. What? No, wait. How about 7 and 90? Okay, now I think should drink this on. Time to make orange juice. Orange. Right? Now let's make orange juice. First, let's pour in the water before we put this. Now this time we're gonna use it. I hope this is good. Oh,
I'll give it a one. I like it.
this stuff. One orange.
Oh, where's the orange flavor of this?
Okay, now let's mix it. Mix. Dump it in. Give us a taste. Oh, you're pouring it on. I'm going to dust it. There you go. A little bit. That's all. Now I want to taste it first. I think it's time. Oh, that's too much. Don't. Oh. Okay, just will. I give it. Oh yeah, this is. Oh yeah, I give it a 1 out of 10.
I will give it 2 with 10.
Guys, we got a surprise for you. We got gummy candy fruits. We made gummy candy from the fruit juices that we made. We got pineapple and an apple, and we got some grapes. And these are a strawberry. Let's taste them. This is definitely very yummy. I give it. This time I made it. Yeah, I give it a 10. I give it a 10 out of 10.
I got 3 with 10. Pineapple. They're so squishy. Squishy to play.
With this.
Like, I'm squishing it.
This is yummy. I give it a. After try this. Not grapes. Green apple. I give those two. I think I did two. I give one a 10 out of 2 and another 10 out of 10.